Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, yesterday we have completed some working notes about the buyback of shares, and if such type of problem is given in the particular examination, then we have to prepare the accounting notes or working notes and then passing the journal entries for the buyback of shares. So find out the amount to be payable to the equity shareholders. That is very important, and it is to be calculated by the minimum amount or lower amount in 3 or 4 working notes. And then we have to ascertain the number of shares which are to be buyback, and then at what price the buyback is to be done. That is to be given in the problem, or sometimes if it is not given, then we can calculate on the basis of the number of shares and the amount which is to be paid. So these are the common things in the buyback of shares. Today we are completing the accounting notes and vertical form of balance sheet in the books of the company. So give the heading. Yesterday's remaining part we can complete today. In the books of Suyog Limited, in the books of Suyog Limited, vertical form of balance sheet, vertical form of balance sheet as on 31st March 2018, as on 31st March 2018, into bracket after buyback. As usual, we have to prepare the vertical form and the columns which are to be required. So make 4 columns. First column particulars, big column. Then second column account notes. Third column inner amount. And the last fourth column outer amount. Fourth column outer amount. So after the preparation of the balance sheet in the columnar form, the main headings, Roman 1, big Roman, equity and liabilities, equity and liabilities, underline. Into that, shareholders funds, number 1, shareholders funds. Again underline, again underline. Just a minute, bell is ringing. So shareholders funds, underline and keep 5 to 4 lines blank. 5 to 4 lines blank. And number 2, reserves and surplus, reserves and surplus. underline, keep 4 or 5 lines blank, 4 to 5 lines blank. Then third heading, number 3, long-term borrowings, long-term borrowings, underline, into that keep 3 lines blank, 3 lines blank. Then current liabilities, current liabilities, underline, keep 2 lines blank. So this is the liability side which is having these heads. Then Roman 2, assets, assets, into that number 1, non-current assets, non-current assets, keep 3-4 lines blank. And number 2, current assets, current assets, underline and keep 4 lines blank, 4 lines blank. So these are the asset side heading. After the balance sheet, give another heading, accounting notes, accounting notes. One by one we can complete the accounting notes. First accounting note, share capital, share capital, underline into that authorized capital, authorized capital. Now see the balance sheet of the company given in the problem. So on the liability side, authorized capital is given. So write it as it is. 10 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each. 10 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each. Amount 1 crore. 1 crore. The next heading in the share capital, issued subscribed and paid up capital, issued subscribed and paid up capital, underline. Now in the balance sheet of the company, 8 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each, that we are making the fully paid shares. So now these are becomes rupees 10 each, but we are also seen that the company is buyback 2 lakh shares. So from the 8 lakhs, 2 lakhs are buyback. So remaining shares are with the company. So write in the issued, subscribed and paid up capital, 6 lakhs equity shares, 6 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid, of rupees 10 each fully paid. So 6 lakhs comes, we are considering the buyback and deducting it from 8 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. Then the issued, subscribed and paid up capital will be 6 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each. Write the amount 60 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Now for the authorized 1 crore capital amount we have written, make the two underlines because authorized capital is not to be totaled. So 1 crore amount when we are taking in the authorized capital, make two underlines to it. So this is the share capital 60 lakhs. Then working note number 2, accounting note number 2, reserves and surplus, reserves and surplus, underline. Now we are created the CRR, see the entry number 4, profit and loss account debit 20 lakhs to CRR account. So it is the newly comes in the reserves and surplus. So write in the reserves and surplus, capital redemption reserve, capital redemption reserve 20 lakhs. Then see the balance sheet liability side, general reserve, right in the reserves and surplus, general reserve. Now in the general reserve, no any change is taken place. So 10 lakhs rupees as it is general reserve 10 lakhs. Then profit and loss account, profit and loss account, into bracket 50 lakhs minus 20 lakhs, 50 lakhs minus 20 lakhs, bracket complete, and then write 30 lakhs. Because the CRR is created out of profit and loss account. See again the fourth entry, debit is given, profit and loss account debit, and then CRR is created. So from the profit and loss account, out of 50 lakhs, 20 lakhs are to be used for CRR. So the 30 lakhs rupees are to be remain in the balance sheet. Now make the totals of all these three figures, 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs and 30 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Make the underline, so total is completed. Then third accounting note, long-term borrowings, long-term borrowings. One by one we are completing the balance sheet liability side. So after the reserve, secured loans are given, that comes under the long-term borrowings. So next line, 11% debentures, 11% debentures, 20 lakhs, no any change at all, 20 lakhs. And another unsecured loans, unsecured loans, 20 lakhs. So there is also no change in unsecured loan. To make the total 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Then fourth note, trade payables, trade payables, underline. Under this, see the liability side, current liabilities are given. So first creditors, write in that creditors, sundry creditors, 15 lakhs, whatever may be the amount given in the balance sheet, we take it as it is, 15 lakhs. Then bills payable, another liability of the company, bills payable, also 15 lakhs. So make the total 15 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 30 lakhs, and make the two underlines to 30 lakhs. Now four accounting notes are relates with the liability side. Next, number 5, tangible assets. Tangible assets. Now see the balance sheet asset side. Fixed assets are given. There is no any change in the assets. So write one by one as it is. Tangible assets, underline, land and building, 30 lakhs. Another fixed asset is plant and machinery. It is also 30 lakhs. And another furniture given in the balance sheet, 22 lakhs. 22 lakhs. So total of all these 82 lakhs. And make the underline to 82 lakhs amount. Now the investment is given. So working note number 6. Non-current investment. Non-current investment. Underline. Into that, investments. 15 lakhs, as it is given in the balance sheet, 15 lakhs. Then balance sheet asset side, debtors are given, bills receivables are given. So next accounting note, trade receivables. Trade receivables. Into that, debtors. 47 lakhs are given in the balance sheet. So debtors 47 lakhs. Then bills receivable, under trade receivables, another bills receivable. In the balance sheet amount given, 10 lakhs. So make the total 47 lakhs and 10 lakhs, 57 lakhs. Then next accounting note number 8, inventories. Inventories. Into that, underline stock in the balance sheet given 20 lakhs. In the balance sheet given 20 lakhs. So make the underline to 20 lakhs. And last accounting note, cash and cash equivalents. Cash and cash equivalents. Now the bank balance is given 40 lakhs. So can anybody tell me how the bank balance is to be appeared in the balance sheet? How much amount? See the journal entries and then tell me how much amount of bank or cash is to be there in the cash and cash equivalent accounting note.
सर एंट्री मध्ये 16 लाख ची एंट्री केली आपण. 16 लाख ची एंट्री केली बँक अकाउंट डेबिट.
हा. आणखीन अजून कुठे बँक आहे का क्रेडिट वगैरे केलेली?
हो सर 40 लाख.
40 lakhs. मग आता हे कॅश अँड कॅश इक्विव्हॅलंट मध्ये लिहिताना राईट देअर bank balance into bracket. In the balance sheet it is given 40 lakhs. In the old balance sheet it is given 40 lakhs minus how much amount is paid to the equity shareholders?
16 लाख.
Paid, not received. Equity shareholder account debit to bank. Any entries there?
40 lakhs. 40 lakhs.
So 40 lakhs minus 40 lakhs. And then plus how much amount is received?
16 lakh.
That amount is from the final call amount. So 16 lakhs. All these into bracket. Complete the bracket and write amount 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs. So these are the accounting notes. Now come to the balance sheet. Vertical form of balance sheet. Equity and liabilities. Under that, we are made shareholders funds. Right there. Share capital. Share capital. In the note number, write number 1. Inner column amount 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs. Then reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. See the accounting note number 2 total. Note
60
number 2, an
60.
amount is
60 lakh.
60 lakhs. Sanjana is not talking anything, huh? संजना
तिचा लिहिला नाही म्हणून.
उशिरा आली.
हो सर.
बर 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 ठीक आहे. 60 lakhs. So make the outer column total 60 lakhs plus 60 lakhs 1 crore 20 lakhs. 1 crore 20 lakhs. Then in the long term borrowings, Note number 3, right there, long-term borrowings. Note number 3's total is 40 lakhs, direct outer column. 40 lakhs, direct outer column. Then under the head current liabilities, trade payables, working note number 4, total is 30 lakhs. Total is 30 lakhs. So all the liabilities accounting notes are completed. Make the total outer column 1 crore 20 lakhs plus 40 lakhs plus 30 lakhs. One crore 90 lakhs. 1 crore 90 lakhs. Make 2 underlines and write total in the particulars. Total 1 crore 90 lakhs. Then in the assets, Roman 2, fifth adjustment, accounting note says under the non-current assets, write tangible assets. Tangible assets. Note number 5, and total is 82 lakhs. Inner column 82 lakhs. Then number 6, accounting note, non-current investment. Non-current investment. Note number 6, inner column 15 lakhs. Inner column amount 15 lakhs. So 82 lakhs plus 15 lakhs, 97 lakhs. Outer column 97 lakhs. Then 7th accounting note, we are given the current asset heading. Into that, trade receivables. Trade receivables. Note number 7, total amount is 57 lakhs. 57 lakhs, outer column. Then inventories, note number 8, amount is 20 lakhs. And the last accounting note number 9, which is written in current asset, cash and cash equivalent. Cash and cash equivalent 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs. So make the total of asset side whether it comes equal to liability.
हो सर येते
Okay, 1 crore 90.
90 lakhs.
1 crore 90 lakhs. So this is the balance sheet after buyback of shares. Now the last problem which I have given yesterday again. Can we require any short break, 5 minutes break? 5 मिनिटाचा ब्रेक घेऊया का? आकांक्षा कोळी, अंकिता गावंड, ज्योती नामदार, नेहा भोईर, प्रिया पाटील, ऋतिका तांडेल, संजना कडू आणि तन्वी कोळी. मी पकडून 9 लोक आपण आहोत. बाकीचे 81 लोक आउट ऑफ कव्हरेज एरिया, सॉरी 71 लोक. आपली टोटल 80 ऍडमिशन्स आहेत. मला काळजी वाटायला लागली आता हे निकाल कसा वाढवतात का काय खड्ड्यात घालतात. परीक्षेच्या दृष्टीनं त्यांना काय काळजी नाही. मी जेवढं सर्क्युलर टाकलं त्याच्यावर कोणी सुद्धा काय बोललं नाही. असेल विद्यापीठाची परीक्षा, आम्ही क्लास अटेंड करत नाही, लेक्चर अटेंड करत नाही, ऑनलाईन येत नाही. काय करतात काय काय माहिती, काय कळत नाही. आम्ही विद्यार्थी होतो तेव्हा एक दिवस जरी लेक्चर चुकलं तरी आम्हाला फार मोठा गुन्हा केल्यासारखं वाटायचं. अरे आपण काल गेलो नव्हतो. त्या न जाण्याचं कारण पण जिनियन असायचं, आजारी पडलेलो असायचं, तब्येत चांगली नसायची, म्हणून आम्ही जात नव्हतो. तर असं मजा मजा म्हणून तर कधीच कॉलेज बुडवलं नाही. चला आज कॉलेजला दांडी मारायची असं ठरवून तर कधीच झालं नाही. उलट काय का असे ना मला कॉलेजला जायचंय. घरच्यांना आम्ही भांडायचो, मला अजिबात काय सांगायचं नाही, मला कॉलेजला जायचं आहे, मला बाकीचं सांगू नका. आजारी पडल्यावर मग काय ताप येत असेल, खोकला येत असेल, काय झालं असेल तर मग आपलं तिथपर्यंत जायची ताकद नव्हती म्हणून जात नव्हतो. ते पण दवाखान्यात गेलं, 1-2 दिवस गोळ्या घेतल्या की तिसऱ्या दिवशी कॉलेजला हजर. आता मी बघतोय गेले 2 महिने आकडा काय आपला 20च्या पुढे जात नाही. ऑनलाईन लेक्चरचा आकडा 20च्या पुढे जात नाही. मुलीच मला सगळ्या दिसतात. ज्या गेल्या वर्षी आपल्या वर्गात असायच्या SYला, आता इथं मला एक पण मुलगा दिसत नाही. आकांक्षा, अंकिता, ज्योती, नेहा, प्रिया, ऋतिका, संजना आणि तन्वी मुलांनी संपावर गेलेत. असेच त्यांनी बाहेर जावं. BCom व्हायचंय, आपल्याला सिरियसनेस पाहिजे, आपण लेक्चर अटेंड केले पाहिजेत. अकाउंटन्सी सारख्या विषयाला जर अशी परिस्थिती असेल तर बाकीच्यांचं विचारायलाच नको. जो विषय थोडासा वाटतो आपल्याला किंवा चला अकाउंटचा पिरियड आहे, अकाउंटचा पिरियड कधी बुडवायचा नाही. इथं फार समुद्राच्या इरवाडीच्या पण पुढे जातात. मोरा, करंजा, जेवढे जेवढे बीच आहेत तेवढ्या सगळ्या बीचवर अकाउंटला नेऊन बुडवतात. ठीक आहे, थोडासा ब्रेक घेऊ आपण. एक 10 वाजून 5 मिनिटांनी सुरू करूया. थोडा ब्रेक घेतो मी. पुन्हा जॉईन व्हा.